Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a very excited video. I am excited for every video that I film just because I'm sitting here in front of the camera talking to you guys. I love filming. Like, oh my god, I'm so sorry I haven't been filming. That's another story for another video. So today's video, like I said, is very excited, and it's also dedicated to one of my subscribers and one of my fans. She has been asking me to film my top favorite brushes that I have, so why not? Here it is. Her name is, I'm just gonna show you her Instagram right here. She was also one of my giveaway winners, and she's such a sweetheart, and we talk all the time. She's like, I don't want to mistake anything. She's in high school maybe, I'm not sure, maybe middle school, but she's the sweetest, and we talk about everything, and she hits me up and she's like, oh my god, I love your makeup, and she comments and supports. So thank you so much, girl, for the love and the support. Really appreciate it. And for other people that have been supporting me as well, thank you. I wouldn't be here if it wasn't for you guys. So today's video is dedicated to her. So girl, this is for you because I know you're new into makeup. I want to help out. So I'm going to show you my top favorite brushes. So we're going to start off with the eye brushes. Okay, so my top favorite, like hands down, favorite brush from Morphe. It's the M441 brush. When I kid you not, I have like 3 of these brushes. Basically what I do is I just take the brush, and it's so soft, you guys. Like, I wish you guys could feel this. If you guys have a Morphe brush and you guys have the M441, because I'm pretty sure this is a lot of people's favorite brush. This brush, hands down, once again, my favorite. And it's like $5 or $6. They're affordable. So basically, I just think this brush is perfect because I could blend any colors, and it fits right into my crease like perfectly. Oh, I just love this brush. When I tell you I have like seriously like 3 of these brushes, or 2 I think it is, I absolutely love it. Yes, Morphe M441 brush. And the next brush that I am going to show you is from Morphe M433. This is more like a flat type of brush. This is flat. And like put on your outer corners or your inner corners. Blend inside the socket of your crease. I think this brush is perfect for a beginner, so why not? This is another Morphe brush, but I don't know the name of it, so I'm gonna look it up. But I love this brush to pack into my crease, like right here, to define it as well. I love it for the outer corner. I love it to do a halo eye. I just absolutely love this brush. I love how soft it is. Next brush that I love from Amazon brush, and this is more like to pack on color, places where other big brushes don't fit. You could just pack it right there. This is good for your inner corner, to highlight your brow. I love this brush. This is from Amazon. I have this spoolie brush from Amazon as well, and it's just perfect. Like, a spoolie brush is a must. The next brush that I'm loving for eyebrows is this purple brush. I got it from Amazon. It came with a spoolie, but it broke, so whatever. I've been having these brushes for like 2 years, and it's perfect. Like, I love the size of this brush. My face brushes that I am obsessed with, I only brought like 3, but I've been using beauty blenders and sponges for like apply foundation. My favorite blush brush is the MAC something, I don't know. I'm gonna link it down below. Like I said, I've been having these brushes for 2 years, so the name kind of wore off already. The next brush that I love to contour is the Real Technique brush. Don't know what the name for it, but it's a really good brush. The next brush that I have been loving to blend out foundations. This is good for blush. If you put a little too much blush to blend it out, it's like perfect. Like, absolutely love it. The next brush that I also love is the Real Techniques. I'm guessing this is like a buffering brush. This is perfect to buff. I kind of buff my concealers when I do wear concealer, because I have been loving this brush that I got on Amazon to cut the crease. So yeah, this brush is really good. I absolutely love it. I love brushes. Honestly, brushes are just the bomb. It's one of my favorite things. I kind of, over the years that I've been doing makeup, I have collected so many brushes. But that's it, you guys. This is my favorite brushes all time. If you guys are in a budget, I totally recommend to get these brushes. The Morphe ones are very affordable. Elf has good brushes. Wet n Wild has really good brushes. Coastal Scents has really good brushes. My subscriber and my fan, and just show her my top favorite brushes that I do recommend, because you really don't need all these brushes. There's just certain particular brushes that you need to create a decent makeup look or an eye look. So if you guys enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and leave me down in the comment below if you guys like these videos. Talk to me, interact with me, you know, why not? Follow also all my social medias, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, I'm on Twitter, guys, hey. Snapchat. Hope you guys have a blessed day or night wherever you guys at, what time you guys are watching this. I really love you guys, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye, guys.